In this video, I'm going to be sharing you my personal thought and opinion about APVO, the Aptevo Therapeutics. Before I get into the video, as always, before we get into the sauce, nothing on the channel constitutes professional or financial advice. Everything is my own opinion and perspective. Now, let's get into the video that you actually want to watch. So, let me show you my personal thoughts and opinions. This is 35% up today. Higher time frame structure for me is, as of right now, bearish. Okay, like currently, as you can see, we went up, we broke down, went up. Now we're breaking down once again. We're only a week, but I don't really care. This is still breaking down. Let's see on the monthly. It didn't actually break below, but still, let's see, it went up from here, then actually break structure here, and now it is up tremendously. So after that liquidation, I think that we just like liquidated some highs and all that. So I'm definitely expecting this gap to kind of get filled. So this is my prediction for right now. Thank you for watching till right around the end of the video. Stay tuned. Goodbye.